How to update contact and mailing information in Ali Bank on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to update your contact info, well here is how to change your contact and mailing information in Ali Bank Online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, then you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Ali Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Ali Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from the account overview, you simply have to click your name or profile in the top right corner and then select contact information or update personal information from the menu. And there you can edit your mailing address, email and phone number. And there simply make the changes and after making changes just review your information carefully to ensure it's correct and once you're done with it simply click save changes or confirm and your account will be updated instantly. And that's it. That's how you can update contact and mailing information in Ali Bank on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.